Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will tell you how to make Twitter account private. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any point. Subscribing is free, and it helps to support the channel. A private Twitter account means that only approved followers can see your tweets. This can be helpful if you want to keep your tweets private or if you don't want everyone to see your posts. So go to your profile. Click on Setting and Privacy. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Audience and Tagging. Now turn on Protect Your Posts. Now your Twitter account is private. When you make your Twitter account private, current followers will still be able to see your tweets. This is because they are already following you and have approved access to your account. However, once you make your account private, new followers will only be able to see your tweets if they are approved by you. If you have any questions or facing any problem, please feel free to comment. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to subscribe our channel for daily tech tutorial.